Hi my dear friends, big update. Finvestalk is now Uniden Academy. What is Uniden Academy? It is Uniden, Unified Wealth Academy. Here we are evolving this channel into a financial education channel. Here you will be getting clarity on insurance, investments and wealth creation without involving too much of jargons or terminology. Very basic thing to understand for common people, those who are working, those who are not into too much savvy investment. So for them, we are going to simplify big fundas into very easily available source of understanding. Yes, my dear friends, here you will be learning lot of financial education as a course also in future, and as also as podcast interviews and standalone videos like this. Please stay tuned. Please subscribe Uniden Academy. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.